In this video, you'll learn how to book a hotel on Expedia step by step so you can feel confident the next time you're planning a trip. We'll go from opening the site all the way to confirming your booking, and I'll explain what's happening at each stage so nothing feels confusing or rushed. First, open Expedia in your web browser. You can do this on a computer, tablet, or phone. Once the homepage loads, look near the top for the main navigation options. You'll see several choices like flights, cars, and more. Click on the option labeled Stays. This tells Expedia that you're looking for accommodations such as hotels, apartments, or other places to sleep during your trip. Next, you'll see a search box where you can start entering your travel details. Begin by typing your destination. This could be a city, a specific neighborhood, or even a landmark. As you type, Expedia will usually suggest possible locations. Choose the one that best matches where you actually want to stay. Being accurate here helps you get more relevant hotel options later. Now choose your check-in and check-out dates. Click on the date fields and a calendar will pop up. First, select the day you plan to arrive at the hotel, then select the day you plan to leave. Take a second to double check these dates so you don't accidentally book the wrong nights. If your travel dates are flexible, you might even want to compare a couple of options to see if changing by a day or two affects the price. After that, you'll need to add the number of guests. Click on the guest section and adjust how many adults and children will be staying in the room. This is important because some hotels have limits on how many people can stay in each room, and prices can change based on occupancy. When everything looks correct, close that menu. With your destination, dates, and guests set, click the search button. Expedia will now scan its database and show you a list of available hotels that match your criteria. This may take a moment. Once the results appear, you can scroll through and compare different options. You'll see details such as price, star rating, guest reviews, and location. Take your time here. You can often use filters to narrow things down by price range, amenities, or hotel rating to find something that really suits your needs. When you find a hotel you like, click on it to see more details. This page usually includes photos, a description of the property, available room types, and policies like check-in times and cancellation rules. Read through the information so you know what you're getting. Then choose a room type that fits your group and budget and click reserve or the equivalent button to move forward. Now you'll be taken to a page where you enter your details and payment information. Fill in your name and contact information carefully, exactly as it appears on your identification. Then add your payment details, such as your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure you're connected to a secure network and never share your payment details outside of this page. Before you finalize anything, review everything one last time. The hotel name, room type, dates, number of guests, total price, and cancellation terms. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the booking. After a moment, you should see a confirmation screen, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. Keep that handy for check-in. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily book a hotel on Expedia and be ready for your next trip.